In this tutorial, we want to design this logo here, which is similar to the Woolmark logo in Inkscape. I'm using Inkscape 1.0. So we start by drawing a circle. Go to Shift Control and draw a circle which has something like this, the size something like this. Now select the circle and then do a duplicate. So you can do a duplicate by going to here and doing a duplicate, or you can also right click your mouse and press name. Now we have our duplicate. Now the duplicate, let's give it any other color for now. I choose any color. And then we come here, slide it somewhere here, so that now I have snapping and I put it off because we don't need it now. We'll be needing it later, but for now just slide it here, somewhere here. You see, let's see here, this is here, and then we slide it somewhere here to get something like this. And then select this and select that by going to Shift, and then we go to Path Difference. Now we have this created. Now do a duplicate of this again, and then give it any other color you wish for now. And now what we are going to do is we need to enable snapping to make things easier for us. So enable snapping, and the important snapping that we need is snap nodes, path and handle, and then snap to paths, and then the snap to smooth nodes. This very one here, okay, snap smooth nodes including quadrants, and then snap midpoints of line segments, or you can either activate all of the snap node, path and handle. And now remove this here. We want it to more or less snap there, so that there isn't any space. I hope there's no space in mine. If there is, it doesn't matter. You would manage it later. Now let's maybe we give this a darker color for now so we can see things clearly. I don't know whether you guys can see. Afterwards we can color. It's important to see the drawing. Now we select everything again and do a duplicate, and then we shift our duplicate somewhere here again, more or less like this. Good. Now what we will do is that we will select everything and then do a duplicate, and this duplicate we will go to path and do a union. Now we are going to pick this duplicate. First of all, go to objects, and then we go to transform. You get this dialog box here. Now go to rotate, and the angle choose 120, and then we want to rotate this counterclockwise. So choose rotate in counterclockwise direction and do apply. Now we want to place this on this thing here so that it looks something like this, more or less, and then we are going to cut so that we have a design which is more or less in this direction. So now that we've placed this, just select. This is already selected. One thing is I've not grouped these. I'm going to cut them one by one. I could have just selected all this and combined, but I don't like the effect, so just do as I do. Just do a duplicate of this. We need one for each of this. Go to Shift and then press this, the first one here, and then go to Path Difference. Now let's color that any color at all. Now we go to the next one. We select this again. We do a duplicate of it, and then with the Shift we select the black one, and then we go to path difference. We repeat the process again, duplicate. I go to shift, select this, and then I go to path difference. Now I select this. I don't need to do any duplicates. I select it and select this and go to path, and then I do difference. So in case you have some remnants there, just select everything and then just do something like path and break apart, so that you can select any, if you have any small things there, select them and just delete them. Because of the combine we did, it could be that we would be having some remnants left there. Okay, then what we've achieved, what we want. Now after having this, the next thing we do is to color it the way we want. So I colored it this way. You can color it whichever way you want. I chose the first one this color and alternated it. So the next one I chose this color here, and then this I chose this again, and this was this color. So it's up to you to choose your color. And then I select everything, I go to path, and then I group. Now we select everything, and then we rotate. We do a duplicate first of all, and then we rotate it in 120 degrees, whichever way, clockwise or, and then we place it here. In the same light, we select this again, and then we do a duplicate of it, and now we rotate it counterclockwise. Let's see here, just arrange it so that it touches nicely. So this is how you can produce this logo in Inkscape. Thank you for watching. Please help me by subscribing to my channel, and please come again. And if you have any questions, please write in the description. I promise I will always answer. Thank you. Bye.